Hello everyone, my name is Rajendra Sharma. I'm gonna tell you about my new toy. These are magnetic squares. Can you see the black paper? It's not a paper, it's a board. A metal board and magnet. These squares, those are the magnets so we could make. Learn and create with this fun magic set. So, let's start opening. Wrapping it. So as you can see guys, this plastic is sticked on me. So can you see the box? And now we'll open. Where should we open it from? Yes, it's finally out. So here are the instructions. Here's a wooden display stand. So this is our magnetic squares as you can see, and the instructions. So let's start. And here's a black and white board. So first we are gonna take out the stand. And we have to fix it. Already assembled it. Let's start. So you see this black board. I'm putting it now. So here it's the black board. And here are the magnetic squares. There's so many blacks. So many blacks. There's too many blacks. There's too many blacks. So we can tear it. We have blue, red, brown or black, green, yellow, orange. Okay. So let's start. So guys, it's not tearing. So guys, I'm making my name now. This is a cake. I enjoyed a lot with this toy, and these are the magnetic pieces, and I created a beautiful cake. I'm gonna make more things. Bye bye. Have a fun time. Bye bye. Yes, my cake is destroyed. Now I need to pick it up.